Creation of data frames. Creation of data frames. Or creation of data frames. So in the previous class we saw what? In the previous class we saw random numbers. No, we saw how to generate a random number using floating point decimals, floating point literals of random numbers, or random numbers of floating point literals. We saw how to declare using np.random.random. So this very random.random we can convert it into a data frame as well. So first we'll see how to convert or conversion of matrix array into a data frame. Right. We'll see how to create a data frame, basically convert an array into a data frame first and do basic data analysis, basic functions in pandas that will help us do what? That will help us extract meaningful insights. All right, proceed towards, then we'll proceed towards basically a different form of data frame, basically how to create a data frame in a different way. All right, array, a matrix is what? A matrix is a combination of rows and columns. And that is what your data frame is, or you can say data is. Data is also a combination of rows and columns, but in a more representable format. Series matrix is not very representative. We don't get to name the rows. All right. In series, we get to name the rows, but it is a single dimension. Series is single dimension. We don't get to name the columns, even if it is a 1D. In data frames in Python, we get to name. That very data frame in SQL is called as what? Tables. Alright, table ही तो कहा जाता है. Nothing but a combination of rows and columns in a more representable manner. थोड़ा highlighted background होता है बढ़िया. सब वो सेल वेल लगे रहते हैं. जैसे एक्सेल में लगा रहता है. सब लगा रहता है. ये. So let us do what? Let us create an let us create an random matrix first. Let us create a random matrix first, and then let us do what? Let us create a data frame. Moving ahead further, talking about what pd.data frame, and just write data parameter, take v1. Alright, press enter. np we haven't defined in this. So we have declared this. So this is how a data frame looks like. This is a data frame. We have rows, we have columns. If if we look at its type, df, it will call it pandas.core again means what? That pandas is involved in df. Frame means we've created a frame of data frame and the function that we've used to create a frame. Which function we've used? Data frame with D capital and F capital. PD is the object of pandas. Data frame. Data of what? Array. So this is what it is. And we can also do what we also have a parameter of what? We also have a parameter row underscore index. We also have a parameter index in it. Now if I write row underscore index, it will name all the rows. So as you can see, it is named all the rows. Similarly, there is one more parameter known as columns. All right, columns. So for that, we need to do what? We need to fill in call underscore index. All right. So let us do what? Let us take this. All right. Let us take this and just change the row with call, 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 call index. All right. Now what we'll do over here is that we'll run this cell. All right. Sorry, we'll run this cell. All right, and write call underscore index. So when we run this df now, df is the short form for data frame. The columns will also be named. The columns will also be named. All right. So this is what it is. So just like we did what we basically created array. This was matrix. We did not have any rows and call name of rows and name of columns. But over here we have what? Over here we have column names. We have column names as well. In a series we did not have columns. Or it was what? It was singular dimensional. So this is what it is.